Best deals. 1. Bowls. Crafted from high-grade, food-safe ceramic, these snack bowls are 100% non-toxic and lead-free, ensuring a safe and healthy dining experience. Featuring a beautifully textured exterior with subtle ridges and a smooth, glossy finish, these bowls combine visual appeal with effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Casserole. Advanced laser-etched honeycomb pattern ensures effortless food release and prevents sticking, allowing smooth cooking and easy cleaning without scratching or wear. Made from food-grade, premium 304 stainless steel cooking pot resists rust, stains, and odors. It also provides a thick base for even heating. Wide, riveted handles. Vented lid for controlled steam. Comfortable, balanced grip. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cabinet. Maximize your bathroom space with this sleek and compact wall-mounted shelf, perfect for small or cluttered areas. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant materials to ensure long-lasting use in humid environments. Ideal for storing toiletries, bottles, towels, razors, and other bathroom essentials. Comes with mounting hardware and instructions for hassle-free setup. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Organizer. Keep your kitchen tidy with a bamboo pan organizer rack, designed with 5 adjustable compartments to hold lids, pans, pots, tawa, and kadai. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, this pan holder is not only sturdy but also adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dustbin. No need to touch the bin while managing chores or kids. Simply wave your hand, and the lid opens automatically. This hands-free feature helps maintain a hygienic environment, especially useful when your hands are full or dirty. Perfect for busy moms multitasking around the house. The lid responds in just 0.3 seconds with a wave of your hand or a gentle knee tilt, making it easy to dispose of waste even when your hands are full. This feature is great for busy moms, as well as older people or those with mobility issues, eliminating the need to bend down to open the bin. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Idli stand. The elegant glass lid allows you to see through the cooking levels and achieve desired results. The concealed element makes it easy to clean as you can now spin your hands through the kettle while washing it with soapy water. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spin mop. Comes with a removable wringer that makes the cleaning and wringing process quick and easy. It ensures smoother wringing and provides an effortless cleaning experience with the mop bucket system. This feature makes it ideal for both wet and dry mopping, leaving your floors spotless with minimal effort. The extendable mop handle offers 360-degree movement, making it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach places and tight corners. This versatile design is perfect for floor cleaning mop tasks and can clean liquid, oil, dust, and bacteria from various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and marble. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizer. Adjustable compartments customize the interior space to fit clothes, shoes, bedding, or seasonal items with ease. Protects your belongings from dust, dirt, and moisture while keeping them fresh and clean. Transparent cover design quickly identifies stored items without unzipping or opening the organizer. Space-saving underbed fits slim, low-profile design that slides easily under most beds, sofas, or cabinets. Sturdy handles for easy access. Reinforced handles allow you to pull out and carry the organizer effortlessly. Foldable and lightweight, easy to collapse and store away when not in use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Knife set. Made from durable, high-carbon stainless steel, this professionally sharpened, taper-ground knife delivers a sharp edge for versatile kitchen tasks. Designed for comfort, the soft, lightweight handle provides a secure grip, making every cutting task effortless and enjoyable. Includes essential knives for every kitchen task: chef knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, santoku knife and slicing knife. Ideal for slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing, suitable for both everyday cooking and culinary enthusiasts. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Ice Maker. It combines self-cleaning feature and has a drain plug at the bottom for easy removal of unused water. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in around 6 to 9 minutes. The first 3 batches of ice usually take between 10 to 15 minutes. Post that it will get faster, and can product up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours. The indicator on the portable ice maker will alert you when the basket is full, and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Jars. Keep your cooking essentials neatly stored and easily visible with these high-quality stainless steel containers. The transparent window makes it simple to check your supply levels at a glance. Airtight seal ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sink. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the sink offers exceptional durability, ensuring it withstands the test of time and resists corrosion, stains, and scratches. The sink's generous dimensions and spacious basin provide ample room for handling large cookware and stacks of dishes, making it ideal for both everyday use and entertaining. Sink features a gently sloped bottom that ensures efficient drainage and prevents water from pooling. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Stand Mixer. 1000 W motor with 100% copper winding, which multifunctional feature to cater to your all-kitchen need. 8-speed level with stylish LED indicator with pulse function makes your stand mixer a robust companion for all beating, whisking and doughing needs of your kitchen. The product comes splash guard, which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. The stand mixer comes with overheating protection along with safety lock to avoid working hazards. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Vacuum Cleaner. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600 W motor, paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology to provide exceptional power and performance in a compact design. With a strong suction capacity of over 20 kPa, this handheld vacuum cleaner captures dust and debris with ease. The large 600 ml dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Effortlessly clean hardwood floors, tile floors, carpets, sofa and window grills. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tumbler. With mirror finish stainless steel lid fixed with a silicone gasket, which is perfect replacement for plastic glass. Stainless steel is lauded for its durability and is also one of the safest materials used in the kitchen. Tumbler's wide mouth design allows quick filling and also quick cleaning to maintain hygiene. It is food-grade stainless steel and very light in weight to carry. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Wooden Laundry Basket. Large capacity wooden laundry basket ideal for storing clothes, towels, and linens. Made with premium wooden materials for a sustainable and long-lasting build. Portable with handles, strong side handles make it easy to carry laundry from room to room. Multi-purpose organizer, perfect for use in bathroom, bedroom, laundry room, or closet storage. Stylish and modern look, natural wooden finish adds elegance to home decor while reducing clutter. Strong and reliable, built to withstand daily use without breaking or losing shape, crafted from high-quality natural bamboo, this bamboo bathroom rack is durable and odor-free. The strong bamboo frame ensures long-lasting performance while adding a warm, natural look to your bathroom storage setup. Made from natural bamboo, this bathroom storage rack offers multi-tier storage while saving valuable floor space. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and compact living areas. Product link is given in the 16th link.